Imagine this. You see someone, and in a split second, your heart races, your palms sweat, and you feel an invisible pull you can't quite explain. Science tells us this isn't magic, it's neuroscience. Desire isn't random. It's the brain's way of signaling attraction, survival, and connection. But what do women truly crave? Let's break it down. At the core of desire is dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. When a woman feels excitement, curiosity, or unpredictability with someone, dopamine spikes, making her associate that person with pleasure. This is why confidence and mystery are so magnetic. They literally keep her brain engaged. Then comes oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Women crave emotional safety and trust because oxytocin strengthens the attachment between two people. A man who can make her feel secure without controlling her, strong yet empathetic, is far more likely to trigger long-term attraction. But here's the surprising part. Women's brains are wired to seek both stability and excitement. It's not one or the other. A partner who can provide grounding while still keeping her curious taps into the dual nature of female desire. Neuroscience shows that this balance lights up different parts of the brain, the amygdala, linked to safety, and the nucleus accumbens, linked to pleasure. So what do women truly crave? Not just looks, not just money, not even just love. They crave a mix of certainty and unpredictability, strength and vulnerability, safety and passion. Desire isn't about what you give her, it's about how you make her feel in her brain and body. And when you understand that, you stop guessing what women want and start speaking directly to the deepest wiring of human attraction.